In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to ClickFunnels. By the end, you'll have a responsive gallery that looks great on desktop and mobile, all without custom coding. We'll begin by building the gallery using a third-party widget builder, such as Common Ninja's Image Gallery tool. Open the tool and start designing. Choose a layout that fits your page style, whether that's a clean grid, a masonry look, or a carousel. Upload your images and keep an eye on consistency. Similar aspect ratios and optimized file sizes will make the gallery feel polished and load faster. If you want visitors to click and view larger versions, enable the Lightbox feature and set the transition style you prefer. This is also a good time to fine-tune spacing, the number of columns on desktop and mobile, hover effects, and optional captions or titles. Preview your gallery inside the builder until it looks exactly how you want. When you're happy, save the gallery and copy the embed code the tool provides. This will typically be a snippet of HTML and JavaScript. Copy it exactly as shown and keep it on your clipboard or in a temporary note. Avoid editing or stripping any tags, since even small changes can break the gallery. Now switch over to your ClickFunnels page editor and open the specific funnel step where you want the gallery to appear. Think about placement in your layout so the gallery complements your headline, copy, and call to action. Inside the editor, add a custom HTML or code element from the elements list. Drag it to the exact spot you want, then open the element settings and paste the embed code into the HTML field. Save your changes in the element, and also save the page to make sure everything is stored correctly. Next, preview the page. You should see your image gallery rendered as a responsive grid, matching the design you created in the builder. Resize the browser, or use the mobile preview to confirm the layout adjusts neatly on smaller screens. If something doesn't load, double-check that the entire embed code was pasted, that there aren't extra characters, and that the page was saved before previewing. Some ad blockers or script blockers can interfere, so testing in a clean browser window can help during troubleshooting. That's all it takes. Design your gallery in the widget builder, copy the embed code, place it into a custom HTML element in ClickFunnels, save and preview. Enjoy your new professional-looking image gallery.